Okay, hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. On this channel, remember I review my pairs and my trade setups. Okay, if you watch my screen, you'll see that there are so many lines and setups. I'm going to show you how I'm able to come about all these setups. So first of all, go to your 4 hour time frame. This is my 4 hour time frame. Then you can see blue horizontal lines. Now this is how I got the horizontal lines. You left click, so you right click your mouse here. You right click, then you see something like this, right? Then you go down to the settings, click on settings, then you see something like this. See section breaks. You see section breaks. If I turn it off, it goes off. If I turn it on, it goes on, it comes on. Then this is section breaks, those blue horizontal line section break. You can come here to change the color and then whether it will appear in line or any form. That's it. So after that, you press your OK. Then your chart we have the blue horizontal lines. You can also decide to add your this in vertical lines. Sorry, the horizontal line. These are sorry, these are vertical lines. Sorry, you can decide to also add your horizontal lines for the psychology level. So see where you come to get your horizontal lines. But that's not it for now. Now, after getting your section breaks now means from this blue line here to the next blue line. This is the activity of the market in a whole day. So if you check the first line, you see that this is Monday. You see it. This is Monday. Then from here to here, you see it's Tuesday now. But because this is on 4 hour time frame, so that will be a kind of overlap. So the candle will stand in between instead of standing exactly in a whole day. So for you to confirm this is what I mean by daily activities, you then have to switch to your 1 hour. Before you go down to the 1 hour time frame, I would like to show you something. Before you continue, make sure that your UTC is at +1. This is Nigerian time. So this is currently reading with my Nigerian time. This is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. You get so in Nigerian time, 9 a.m. is now our new London section. While 3:30 p.m. is now the new New York section. Do you get me now? Then, if you want to know more about the sections, how to trade using sections, then you can also let me know in the comment section so that I will also notify you people. Then on your 4 hour time frame, here is my Monday. You mark the low of the candle that formed in either Monday or Sunday. Just know that is the first or the second 4 hour of the new week. You mark the low of the candle and then the high of the second candle. So this is the low of the first candle. This is the high of the second candle. So here becomes my new resistance. Where here becomes my new support. You get me now? When market breaks below here, we start looking for sell opportunity. Market breaks above here, we start looking for buy opportunities. This also what I did for the previous ones you have been seeing. So this is the same for all my charts. You get me now? The low of the first candle. But here now, if you notice that Sunday had the first candle, right? And the first candle that opened during on Monday was inside. So we don't just have to neglect this candle. We have to mark from that candle. You get me now? Sunday here too. Okay, now Sunday here is very small. You get me now? And it's inside. So Monday now had the low of the week, while the next candle then had the high of the week. So just like that. Just whether it's the Sunday candle or it's the Monday candle, just mark out the low of that candle and the high of the next two candles. Do you get me? But here now, if you notice, here is the low, but this man should have been the high, but it is small and inside. So here becomes the new high of the week. You can also choose this one depending on your backtest. So if your backtest gives you that this one should be the perfect, then you can use it. So either use this or use this. But just know that it's within the first three candles that are formed in a week that you get those levels. Likewise, this one too. You get me now? This one, the market is bearish here, so open bearish. So here is the high of the week, and then this is the this in the second candle. So here should be the low. You get me now? Here should be the low. Then here should be the here should be the low, here should be the high, and here should be the midterm. You get me? Just backtest, there might be a little error. Just backtest on your own and mark out all those things. But let's focus on this particular week. You get me now? So let's focus on just this particular week. So after marking out those levels here, you switch to your 1 hour time frame. From 4 hours, you just switch to your 1 hour time frame. If you switch to your 1 hour time frame, you notice that market broke this one, so you should be looking for more buy this week. You get me now? So all you need to do is when market begins to range or to give you any kind of chart pattern, just mark out the neckline or the horizon or the support and then mark out the resistance. You get me? Here's the resistance, here's the support. If market breaks the resistance with a momentum candle, you look for a buy opportunity there, and your stop loss should be at the low, not the low of the candle now, the low of that the support there. You get me now? Here is not bad, depending on your trading side. Here is not bad, but I prefer to use this one for personal reasons. You get me now? Yeah, the stop loss is not too wide. And if you check the risk to reward is also very, very good. Risking 37 to target 174 pips. And this is a good risk to reward. You guys know. And that's so for all. So per each day now, once a new day opens, mark the high of the 4 hour and the low of the 4 hours. Then use it as you use the weekly on. So my golden line represents the weekly levels, while the black line represents the normal daily 4 hour high and low. These are my daily 4 hours high and low, 4 hours high and low. This is what I kept on doing till the end of the week. So for the end of the week, this is where the market closed for the week. So if I should also mark my 4 hour candle for Friday, I didn't do that for Friday because I was off charts. So on Friday too, if you notice, here was my the high of the week, right? Here was the high of the week, right? Okay. Let me change the color to black. Let me change the color to black. This is it. So this is my high of the week. Let me also lock it. So sorry, high of the day. So let me also lock it, and then this is the 4 hour low of the day. You get me now? So if markets break this one, we look for more. So if market breaks one, we look for more buy. You get me now? Then you switch to your 1 hour time frame from there during the day. If you notice, markets broke with a strong momentum candle. You can decide to blindly trade this way, or you can decide to check out for more chart pattern inside this zone. So, but first of all, let's put our focus to on the momentum, where the momentum happened. You get me? You can decide to wait for a retracement here and then enter, or just know your this entry model, the way you enter your own trade. But if you want to enter aggressively, then here should be your stop loss. You love the week, which is wide. It's very wide, and your target should have been this high of the week. But since there is more momentum, you can decide to leave it as open take profit zone. You get me now? But due to this wide this stop loss zone, you can decide to go lower to our 15 minutes to check out for the chart pattern that formed that split that resulted to market to make that such strong move. Okay, even before markets broke that resistance, if you look closely at your chart, you see that you have a kind of a double bottom formation, which is also a W pattern formation. Do you get me now? So you can decide to remove this one now. Then in that your W pattern, because you already know that if market should hold onto this support, there will be a strong move to the upside. Do you get me now? So first of all, you mark the neckline. So here is the neckline, right? Here is the neckline, and this is a strong momentum candle that broke that particular neckline. So from there, you place your entry, and it also happened during the open of the London session. So this is the first 15-minute candle of the London session. So it's also aligned very, very well. You get me now? So this is just the open of the London session. And your TP should have been this particular place. Here should be your TP. Here. The weekly high. You get me now? So this is just a 1:4 risk to reward. You get me now? So this is how to use your weekly the weekly candles the weekly 4 hour candles for your support and resistance. You can also combine this with more confidence like your psychology level and all that. But personally, I just prefer using price action and then chart pattern. If you check all my entry, these are just simple price action and chart patterns. So if you want to learn more on this, make sure you join our Telegram channel so you can message me directly and also get to know when we enter trades like this. So let's see how next week we go, and I hope next week becomes a very, very good and profitable week for us. You get me? Let's call it a wrap. So see you next time. Jovianking trades.